Jenny here. I know I just made a zucchini bread, but I have some bananas here that are overripe and need to be used. So today we are going to make a chia banana cake. And it is going to be sweetened by those bananas and some honey and not use sugar. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a cup of water, 3 to 4 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of oil, 5 tablespoons of honey, another 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. First, we are going to measure out that 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, mix it with a half a cup of water, and then set it aside for at least 15 minutes or until they start to swell. Next, we will measure out our dry ingredients into a medium bowl and set that aside. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then in a large mixing bowl we are going to mix up our bananas, the oil, the honey, and the vanilla. So as you can see, I've got 1 banana that's like way past ripe, but they still say these are good for cooking. These are good for making bread. So when you have the bananas this ripe, don't throw them out. Find a recipe you can make them in. Make something with. The fruit flies have been going absolutely nuts lately, so I was going to wait another day or so to make this and figured, you know what, I have time today. I'm going to do it today. So hopefully the fruit flies will then be no longer. So I've heard one of the tricks of helping to get honey off of your measuring spoons or anything else you're using is if you use a little nonstick oil and spray. Since I have oil in there anyways. And then when you measure it out, it should come right out. So yeah. Did a pretty good job. That's a pretty clean spoon. Nice. Ha! I like that. I didn't even have to spray it anymore. Just that one time. Worked for all 5 tablespoons. Yay! Alright, once that is all mixed up, we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure that everything will get well mixed in. By now, your 15 minutes should be about up for those chia seeds. So we are going to mix those in. I'll take a different shot. I don't think I could see in camera here. See if they're a little goopy. we'll go ahead and add that 1 cup of water also. Slow it down, we'll go ahead and scoop in our flour mixture. Go ahead and scrape down those sides one more time, and then mix it again just to make sure again everything is all just well mixed. Lastly, we will add our walnuts in and just give it a quick mix till it's just well mixed in. We will be using a 9 by 13 inch pan. We are going to spray that with our non-stick spray. I'm using my little Misto sprayer here that I have olive oil in. I have this linked in my description below if you want to go check that out. You can use any type of oil in here that you want, and it's refillable. So that's nice. And then we'll just go ahead, pour our mixture in here, and then bake it at that 350 degrees for 30 minutes. First and foremost, looks pretty good. We'll put a toothpick in and see how that turns out. Okay. Feels solid. Looks clean. So we will let it cool. The chia banana cake is all done. It smells really delicious. Cut a piece out. You can see all those wonderful walnuts in there. So that should give it a good taste too. So let's give it a try. See what I think with having it just be honey in there for the sweetener. It's moist. Okay. Tastes like banana bread. It's not very sweet, but that's okay. It's still, you have that banana bread taste. It's a little dense. Not a banana cake. You could probably make this in a loaf pan and make it as a banana bread also. That would also be good and tasty and easy to make. So yeah, this is a good recipe. If you don't want to have sugar in there, this still gives you a good banana bread taste. It's very, very tasty. I enjoy it. I will eat probably most of this. I'll share some with my daughter. Going to pick her up from the airport in just a little while, so I will give her some so she can take it home, have a snack tonight when she gets home. Anyways, yeah, I like this recipe, so I will be making this one again. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like banana bread and what kind of add-ins or anything you like. Usually I put chocolate chips in, but this time I wanted to try that without that. Really have it can really just be the honey as sweetening. So like I said, this one's good. I will leave the recipe down below. I'm gonna go finish enjoying my snack, and you guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye bye.